Manus AI review. Is it legit or a scam? Let's get started. So Manus AI is a cloud-based autonomous AI agent launched in March 2025 by Singaporean-based Monica. It can execute multimodal tasks like building websites, generating code, or doing in-depth research without ongoing human input. So it has some legit features, which is the autonomous execution, capable of planning and running complex tasks, and then some code generation. It also has an impressive first impression where early users noted solid capability on tasks like itinerary creations, although it may have some major concerns and complaints versus the hype reality. Some critics say that Manus is more marketing ploy than genuine innovation. It also has some stability and bug issues. It also has some cost and credit system where it costs extremely high credit consumption and the basic plans are insufficient and the invite code are a scam. So in conclusion, is Magnus AI legit? Well, it exists and can do some tasks autonomously, but is it worth it? Currently, not really worth it because it's buggy, costly, and credit draining and overhyped. And is it a scam? Well, no, but the invite or the cold market around it is definitely scammy and filled with crypto fraud, so avoid buying access from third parties.